Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And back in 2015, Luann and I got married in Cody, Wyoming. And on the way home, we went and visited Thermopolis, Wyoming, home of one of the big mounds of sulfur from the hot springs. And we visited the local Wildcat High School where they had this beautiful bronze structure of a leaping cat. So stay tuned for some more pictures of Thermopolis, Wyoming. And as we come back, we come through the Wind River Range. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So in Thermopolis, Wyoming, a big cat, and there was a rock there. And so Luann and I took a moment to have some fun with it. I mean, it was a big bronze structure, bigger than we were. Very attractive. There was a big T in the hillside. A lot to let you know that this is Thermopolis, Wyoming. And then as we were driving back, we came through the Wind River Range. That's a gorge road with a river alongside of it and a lot of wind as it goes through the mountain range. But that's where the Arapaho people, some of them are from, those of the Wind River people. But anyway, here we are back in Thermopolis, just having fun with all the pictures, having some fun taking them, coming back. It was a long drive from Wyoming to get all the way back to Ohio, but you drive for a day, you spend some time in Kansas and sleep, and then you come on home. So anyway, again, this is the Wildcats from Thermopolis, Wyoming, and that's a beautiful bronze structure. I don't know who made it, but it's probably there on the plaque. But here we'll go and give you a little close-up of it and some views of the surrounding area. So here's what the cat looks like when he's coming right at you. Got an intense look on his face like he's going to snag you. And then we come here and we take another look at him, and you can see how his paws are all curved and he just leaps out. And again, this is in front of the high school in Thermopolis, Wyoming, and makes quite a statement for the mascot team, the Wildcats. So anyway, here's some looks at the surrounding area. You look into the hillside, and there's a big white T that they've placed with limestone so that you can see the big T from the air and from the ground. But anyway, it's a rugged area. The high schoolers like to go up every year and clear a spot and put their class of whatever in the white limestone that they find. And then here's the big sulfur mine from the hot spring in the center of town, and it's quite a dome. And it's well lit, and it's a little park so people can stop and come and see it. So Luann and I decided we'd come by and brave the sulfur smell, and we'd get there and have some pictures taken of us next to it. So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is what basically downtown Thermopolis looks like. Not a lot to talk about. It's a small town in Wyoming. It's a crossroads, really, with the roads coming through it. But with the hot springs, it sure makes it an interesting place to attend. And there are a lot of places in Wyoming where you can go, and there are hot springs where they bubble out into a cold water stream, and you find a spot that you want to get into where the water's the temperature you like, not ice cold from the mountain water and not boiling hot coming out of the ground. But anyway, I'll let you finish looking at these pictures of Thermopolis, Wyoming, and the big sulfur mounds from the hot springs, and then we'll have some pictures through the Wind River Range as we were working our way down through Wyoming to get to Kansas. So please enjoy, and thanks for watching. forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.